Experiencing issues sending texts on ALDI Mobile? This video will guide you through common causes and solutions, focusing on key messaging technologies. ALDI Mobile, operating on major networks like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, can face texting problems due to its MVNO status. Texting issues on ALDI Mobile often stem from the fact that as an MVNO, they lack full control over the network infrastructure. This means fixes often involve device-side adjustments rather than carrier interventions. We'll cover RCS, an advanced messaging protocol offering features like read receipts, group chats, and media sharing. iMessage is Apple's proprietary service for iPhone users, using data or Wi-Fi instead of SMS. SMSC is the network component that stores and forwards SMS messages, requiring correct settings in your device. Signal is a free app for secure messaging via data, not reliant on SMS, making it a reliable alternative. To fix RCS texting issues, ensure it's enabled in Google Messages settings, but note that full functionality depends on ALDI Mobile's support level. For iMessage problems, when sending to non-iPhone users, deregister iMessage via Apple's website if you've switched to Android. If SMSC issues cause message not sent errors, manually update your phone's APN settings with the correct SMSC number specific to your region and carrier, available on online forums. Finally, use Signal, a secure messaging app, as a reliable alternative that bypasses carrier-specific SMS problems. Remember that both parties need to use the app. By 2027, RCS is expected to dominate, with carriers like Verizon mandating it, potentially resolving ALDI's texting issues automatically. If still having issues, contact ALDI Mobile support.